Want to know how to find the second largest number in an array in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up any compiler that you want, maybe an application or an online compiler. So once you've done that, here I have written this code right here. You can just simply copy up or modify this code by yourself. So we start the code by simply initializing two variables, first and second. So right here you can see int first and also int second right here. And we have also created an array of numbers, so that goes from 12 to 1. So we have to find the second largest one right here. So after that is done, we loop through each number in the array. So if the current number is bigger than first, we update second to first and first to the current number. That's it. Otherwise, if it's bigger than the second but not equals to first, we just update second. At the end, second holds the largest value. It's simple, efficient, and no sorting needed. So I'll just run it to you to show how it works. And there you go, the result. So the largest is 34, that is right after 35. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and join in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.